Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is quadratic formula and discriminant from your chapter quadratic equation. So let's start the session. Let's understand first the quadratic formula. See, we should know first the standard form of the quadratic equation. So what is your standard form of a quadratic equation? The standard form of quadratic equation is your ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is your standard form of the quadratic equation. So now where, okay, one thing also here, your a is non-zero, your a is not equals to 0. Okay, so now from here onwards, what we will derive a quadratic formula. Okay, what is a quadratic formula? You will get your x as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So from here, by this method, you will get your x as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Also, moreover, this b square minus 4ac is called your discriminant. This is your discriminant d. Okay. So let's check some examples. See, this is your x. Again, we will get our zeros or the roots by this method. This is your discriminant method. There is another method also, factorization by middle term splitting, that we have discussed, and you also are aware of that method. In previous classes you have done that concept. Now this discriminant method, this quadratic formula is new for you, so we focus and learn this. Okay, this is important. So this discriminant formula helps you to solve quadratic equation of bigger numerical values. Okay. In middle term splitting, you were solving the numbers of less value, but it will help. This quadratic formula will help to solve numbers with very big values. Clear? And now let's check some examples. If you have 2x square plus 11x plus 15 is equals to 0. So first of all, compare this with your, okay, so first of all, we will write the formula minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. And what about your d? D is your b square minus 4ac. What about your d? Your d is b square minus 4ac. Now compare this with your standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get your a as 2, b as 11 and c is as 15. Okay. Now a as 2, b is 11 and c is equal to 15. Now first step is to find your d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is your b? B is your 11 square minus 4a. C is your 15. So it is your 121 minus 120. So you are getting your d as 1. Okay, that's it. So we have calculated d. Now we will solve for x. We will find our value of x. So what is our x? X is our minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. That means you will get your x as minus b plus 1 time like this, 1 time like this. Okay, that means you have two values. You will get your two values by this, by doing like this. So your b is minus 11. What is your root d? Root d is square root of 1. That is your 1 upon 2a. A is 4, so it will be a 4. So you will get your value minus 10 by 4 minus 5 by 4. And minus b minus root d upon 2a means your minus 11 minus 1 by 4. So this is your minus 12 by 4 is your minus 3. Okay. So again, we are getting our values as minus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 3. Okay. So in this way, we can get our values of x by using the quadratic formula. Okay, this is important. This is a new concept for you. So let's check another example. If you have a quadratic equation, if you have a quadratic equation, if you have a quadratic equation, x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. So first of all, compare with it ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where your a is 1, b is minus 15, and c is your 54. So first we will calculate our d. First, what we will do, we will calculate our d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. That means your b is minus 15 square minus 4ac is 54. So this is your 225 minus 4 to 16, 216, 9. So your d is 9 in this case. Now next step is finding the value of x minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. That means one time plus root d upon 2a, and another next time is your like this upon 2a. So this means your b is okay. Now putting the value of b. So be careful. Here already in formula we have minus. So we will put the values of minus like this plus root 903 by 2a. A means 2. So on solving this, it will be 15 plus 3, 18 by 2, that is your 9. This is your minus of minus 15 plus root d. Root d is your 9, 3 by 2a is your 2. So it is your, oh, 1 second. This is minus. This will be for minus. This will be for minus, and again, this we are calculating for the minus 1. So 15 minus 3 is your 12 by 2. You will get your answer 6. So we get our x value as 9 and 6. So these are the roots or zeros of the given quadratic equation. So this is your quadratic formula, and here it is your discriminant. So I hope you understood the topic. That's all for today's session. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in my Urban Flow profile app. Till then, revise. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.